Hello and welcome everybody to this brief market update. My name is Walid Koudmani, Chief Market Analyst for XTB. In this brief video, we're going to be covering the situation on the gold market, a very interesting start to this week. Of course, this is going to be a shorter week because we have the Easter weekend coming up, but nonetheless, a lot of events happening. We have the NFP on Friday, and of course, today's news, Tuesday, with gold reaching the highest level in over a year, breaking through the $2,020 level before pulling back slightly. And also on the chart, you will be able to see in a second the overlaid graph, which is the US dollar index, as bond yields retreat, as fears of recession kind of continue to loom as well. So let's take a look at the graphic here on this chart. We can see breaking past the previous highs reached just in the middle of March, or towards the second half of March, and then before this consolidation range we have seen from gold. At the moment, trading around $2,016, of course, reaching a high, as I mentioned, above $2,020 before pulling back slightly. Also on the lower side here, as I zoom in slightly, you might be able to see. Let me double check. Yep. So you can see here on the lower side, this is the US dollar index pulling back as gold pulls up, and then an inversion of that trend as well, or that short-term move. Interesting to note also that the upward movement continued after breaking through the Ichimoku cloud. So last week, if you watched the video, we also mentioned this Ichimoku cloud on gold and how that could have been an interesting level to keep an eye on. This week, of course, shorter trading week as Friday, as I mentioned, but at the same time, we can still keep an eye on these previous highs as a potential now, well, not resistance anymore, but potential support, at least in the short term. And then after that, we can head back into this potential range that we saw in the past. Now, of course, there's always the room for a further price increase. Markets remain quite volatile, as you see some rejections also on the candles on the hourly chart from the top down. It will be interesting to see. And of course, we will be keeping you up to date with XTB. Some of the speculation on the gold market also has shifted. So again, stay up to date with the news section on XTB for any and all further developments. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully it was useful, and good luck with your trading.